Hail to it now, come hail to it all. This world belongs now to the dogs. So bend at your knees and clench your teeth and feel the dirt beneath your feet. 'Cause it's all that we've got, it's all that is real. 'Cause we're turning our home to a wasteland of steel. So hail to it now, come hail to it all. I won't step in line, I won't let myself fall. But what can I do, what can I say? We're all chained together, we're all meant to pay. So hail to it now, come hail to it all. The world belongs still to the dogs. But I say to you now, and I say it so loud, you go ahead and be great, you go ahead and be proud. Knock you down once and I'll knock you down twice. 'Cause if you're not standing with them, you're not their device. So hail to it now, come hail to it all. What hell did we give it all to the dogs? Oh, hail to it now, come hail to it all. I'm laying here now with the dogs.